Good evening everyone. So happy weekend everyone. So dito na naman tayo sa kitchen. So doing our recipe again, panchan. Ayan. Since Saturday, so day off ko ngayon. So gumawa na naman ako ng panchan. Ayan. Meron po tayong kung namol muchim or bean sprout, and then of course sikomchi, spinach, and then we have dry squid. Ayan, ujing o dry. Ayan, so we fried it, pukum. And then, of course, we have chamnamol. Ayan. So, nakagawa po tayo ng chamnamol muchim, guys. And then, this one is tofu fried. Ayan, nakagawa po tayo ng tofu. And then, the menu natin for today is takpal Adidas, guys. Ayan. So, nakagawa po tayo ng takpal pukum. Ayan. So, ayan. The panchan is ready to serve, guys, for this dinner. It's our dinner for today. So, gumawa na tayo ng panchan. And then, let's eat. And we eat this. Ayan. The panchan is ready to serve for dinner. Ayan. Nagdi-dinner na po ba kayo, guys? Ayan. We have takpal here, tofu fried, chamnamol, ojingo fried, pukum, and then of course sikomchi, and then kongnamol, and then the panchan is ready to serve, guys. Let's eat, and then happy weekend is everyone. Ayan, the panchan is ready to serve. Then happy tummy again. Thank you for watching. Ayan. Thank you for watching, guys.